Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. Today we are going to start with our new chapter number 12, Smart Charts. Students, you have learned about smart charts in your previous classes, smart charts or data handling. Now what are smart charts? In today's big data world, it's very important that you organize and present your data properly. Without it, the data collected cannot give you good interpretation. Representing data in charts can help in identifying and solving your problem. There are numerous types of charts and graphs. For example, table chart. The table refers to the representation of data or information in rows and columns. Now students, what is the uses of charts? Often we use the chart to ease understanding of large quantities of data and the relationships between parts of data. Also, we can read them more quickly than raw data. In addition, we use them in different fields. Now let us start with our chapter number 12, Smart Charts. Question number 1. Suman has made a chart of her favorite animals which she has seen in the zoo. Make tally marks, write the numbers and answer the following question. Students, here what is given in the question is that Suman had made a chart of her favorite animals. We have to make tally marks and then write the numbers and then answer the following question based on the chart. Students, here you can see a chart is prepared where in this column animals are shown. Here we have to show tally marks and here we have to represent the number. Here first the picture of elephant is given. You can count the number of elephants as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then how we will show it in the form of tally marks. Here this line will represent 1, this will represent 2, this will represent 3 and this will represent 4 and this slant line will represent 5. Then this one is 6 and this is 7. So there are total 7 elephants. Now in the animals column, the second animal is tiger. First we will count how many tigers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tigers are there. We have to show it as tally marks. So here first we will draw this line. This will represent 1. This will represent 2. This will represent 3. This line will represent 4 and this is 5. And in the number column we will write 5. So in this way we will show 5 in tally marks. Now the next animal is deer. First we will count how many deers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we have to show now 12 as a tally mark. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. In the number column we will write 12. Now in the animals column, the next animal is monkey. First we will count how many monkeys are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now we will show first it in the form of tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is 15. 16, 17, and this is 18. And in the numbers column we will write 18. Now last in the animals column is rabbit. We will count how many rabbits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here we will show 6 in tally marks as 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. In the numbers column we will write 6. Now the chart is prepared. Now we have to answer the question on the basis of this chart. Now first one, how many total animals are there? From the chart we can say that there were 7 elephants, 5 tigers, 12 deer, 18 monkeys and 6 rabbits. We have to add all these numbers to find out the total animals. By adding 7 plus 5 plus 12 plus 18 plus 6, we will get 48 animals. Second one, which animals are the highest in number? Here according to the chart we can say that monkeys are the highest in number. Third one, which animals are the lowest in number? From the chart we can say that tigers are the lowest in numbers. Fourth one, how many times more are the monkeys than rabbits? Here from the chart you can see that the number of monkeys were 18 and number of rabbits were 6. So here we can say that the total monkeys were 18 and total rabbits is equals to 6. So we will divide this 18 by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Therefore we can say that monkeys are 3 times more than the rabbits. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.